In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set image as background. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take any picture and make it the backdrop for your document, slide, or canvas, so your content has a polished, consistent look. First, bring your image into the project. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Pictures. This opens a file browser where you can locate the image you want to use. Select it and confirm to insert. You'll see the image appear on your page or slide. At this stage, it's just a regular picture sitting on top of everything else, which is perfect for the next move. Now, right-click directly on the image. In the context menu that appears, choose Set Picture as Background. The moment you do, the picture shifts from being a standard object to becoming the background itself. That means it anchors behind your content and spans the full area, depending on your app's layout and aspect ratio. A few quick notes to help you get the best result. Backgrounds look cleanest when the image has a resolution that matches or exceeds your canvas size, so everything stays crisp. If your document or slide is landscape, a wide image generally fits better. For portrait layouts, a tall image works well. Busy images with lots of small details can make text harder to read, so consider something with gentle textures, soft gradients, or a single focal point. High contrast between your foreground content and the background is key for clarity. When you set a picture as the background, some programs stretch, crop, or fill the area to avoid distortion. If you notice parts of your image getting trimmed, that's the software preserving the original proportions so the picture doesn't look squashed. If the image is much smaller than your canvas, some tools may tile it. Others may center it and add borders. These behaviors are normal and vary by application, but the result is the same. Your image is now the backdrop behind everything else. If the exact wording you see isn't Set Picture as Background, look for a similar option like Set as Background or Use as Background in that same right-click menu. Different versions use slightly different labels, but the function is consistent. And that's it. Insert the image, right-click it, and choose Set Picture as Background. With just those simple actions, you've transformed your workspace with a custom, professional-looking background.